Hello guys, welcome to this new lecture about smart fiscal mapping, fiscal positions. So guys, smart fiscal mapping is an automated logic used in AFP systems to adapt taxes and accounts to specific transaction. It functions as a set of rules that automatically map local taxes to international one based on the customer's location or legal state. By using this tool, business ensure global tax compliance and eliminate manual entry errors in cross-border trade. To explain this course, guys, let's say we have two customers. One is local, for example, the first one is Annaba customer, and the second one is foreign. His name is Egypt customer. And the account we use for the first customer, Annaba customer, when we sell a product to him, is sales of merchandise. And for the foreign customer, we create and use sales of merchandise foreign account. So guys, go to charts of accounts and create sales of merchandise foreign accounts. Go here to account, configuration, charts of accounts, and click here in income and create new account name. And this is the number of the account, and click here save and choose here income and click here and save. Now if we see here, we have sale of merchandise local account and the sales of merchandise foreign account. Let's modify this to local. Okay, click save. Now it's better. We have sales of merchandise local account and sales of merchandise foreign account. The first one for the local customer, and the second is for Egypt customer, the foreign customer. So guys, to automate the system to do the fiscal position automatically, in other words, to add the text for the local customer and remove it from the foreign customer. Go to activated fiscal position here in configuration and choose fiscal position. We can see here Odoo automatic download this for fiscal position options. National regime for the local customers and UA free trade between the European countries, and the exemption to exempt the tax for the invoices and the bills. So guys, in this option, the tax is 0. There are no tax here in this exemption option. And the last one, export and import option. Export using when selling to customer outside the country. It usually apply a 0% tax rate, as export are typically not taxed locally. And the import used for purchasing good from abroad, helping the system record customer duties or reverse charge taxes correctly in the accounting book. So guys, to do the fiscal position, in this case of the two customer, one local and the second one is foreign, do that, click new and write foreign customers. Detect automatically, check the box and choose the country here. You can choose any country you want, or you can choose here country groups. We have this option, European Union and European Union prefixed countries, and South America countries, and SIPA countries, and Gulf Cooperation Council countries, and other more here. Or you can create a new country group from here. Click new, and you can choose the countries from here. For example, Albania, Angola, etc. You can also create a country group from here. If we go here, contact model, and click here in configuration, you can see here country group. This is the same window like this. Here, it's the same window. So guys, you can add a new country group from here, or you can just create one from here. Country group, search more, click in new, choose all the provision countries, choose all the countries from here, search more, select all except Algeria, and click select, and click in save. And now we have this country group, all the countries except Algeria, because Algeria it's our country, it's a local country, not a provision country. And click here save, and click here in add a line. And here you can choose the default account when the customer are local, for example this sales of merchandise local, and here we choose the account when the customer is provision. We can see we can choose this provision account, sales of merchandise provision, and here the sales of merchandise local. So guys, when the customer is provision, the system will use this account instead of the local account. So guys, this account is the replacement of this account when the provision when the customer is provision. And click here save. Okay. After that, guys, we will configure the taxes from here. Open the product, for example. Go to invoice, click invoice, new, choose a product here, golden choco, for example. This, and open it in this arrow, and go here to the taxes, and choose, for example, 19%. Click save, and now go back to the invoice. Click here cancel, new invoice, and when we choose the golden choco product, the tax will appear automatically. You can see it here. And we can see here, guys, the default account always is sales of merchandises local. And guys, if we create a new invoice, choose a customer, for example, leaders customer, and open it. And guys, if we open the vendors from here, and go to sales and purchase, and here in fiscal position, and there we use exemption. Exemption is the same thing like provision customers. This and this. It means zero taxes. Choose exemption. Click save. Now guys, create a new invoice, new, and choose leaders because it's an exemption account. And click here in new, and choose the same product, golden choco. The taxes will be zero here. And click here confirm, because the customer is provision or exemption. It's the same thing. We don't apply a tax in this for this customer. Now guys, let's add another example. Go to the fiscal position and write the name, configuration, go to fiscal position, and create new, and create a new fiscal position, wholesale, for example, like that, and click here, save, and go to the shops of accounts, here guys, and click new, and choose this two accounts, and create this new two accounts, sales, retail, click here save, and click new, and create this other account too. Just a minute guys, modify the name here, sorry, modify here guys, sales, whole sales, click here save, click a new, and create this account too, sales, retail, choose this number account, click save. Now if we see here guys, we have sales wholesale and sales retail. After that guys, go here and choose the two accounts we created, sales wholesale and sales retails, and click here save, and click in a new fiscal position and create this new fiscal position, retail. And click here in and now go back also to the charts of accounts and click in new and create other new two accounts and create this new account, retail, sales retail. Add here the number of here, the account number, and click here save. And now guys, go back to the invoice, create a new invoice and click here in add mapping, choose here sales wholesales, and here choose retail, sales retails, click save. And now go back to the invoice, create a new invoice and click in new and choose a customer and click here in other info and choose the retail fiscal position. Now guys, when we add a line, the default account will automatically change. Choose a product. Sorry guys, choose this and click save, the local account. And now when create a new invoice, for example Eliana Verga, click here, go to sales and modify here this to retail, click save. Here retail, click save. Now when we add a new invoice and choose a product, golden choco, automatically the account will change for sales retail account because the customer we configured his account in sales retails fiscal position with no taxes. And guys, the third way to do that here is from here, go to other info and choose here the fiscal position, retail. Or you can just with the second way here, click in this arrow and in sales or purchase, and you choose the fiscal position of the customer here before we start selling to him our products and create invoices. So that's it guys, see ya in the next lecture. Your brother Gouasmi Musa.